Hello everybody, this is Torrance right here checking in with you. Every now and then when I pass by something I think may be of interest to folks outside of my general geographical area, South US, Southern United States, I try to stop and just take a picture, make a quick video. What I'm standing here, where I'm standing at now is actually a sugarcane field. This is where sugar comes from, sweet stuff. This is a sugar cane. You look right here, it's real thick. It's not ready to be harvested yet. It's gonna get a little taller. This is high as my hand goes, already taller than my hand. Right here in the river parishes of Louisiana, Ascension Parish. And just to give you guys an idea on what your ancestors had to go through, or for, well, let me rephrase that, for what my ancestors had to go through, which are the enslaved Africans when they were brought here. One of the major crops they picked and harvested and planted was sugarcane. So when you talk about somebody running away from a plantation, which really is a concentration camp, I hate the word plantation, but running away from a sugarcane plantation, most times you would, obviously run at night or when the weather was rainy. You can look here and see how dense it is, what they had to get through. And really this stuff is almost as strong as bamboo. Just looking at it, you can kind of put a little force on it. That's down one of the rows of the sugarcane field. And what'll happen is a tractor will come through in a couple more weeks and harvest this. It's on both sides of the road. That's my car right there. So as far as you can see on both sides, it's nothing but sugarcane. So I just want to take a quick moment and just let the world see how sugar grows. It grows on the cane, sugar cane. Sometimes they'll have these in the store. Buy the individual stalk, $2 or $3, $5. You can buy them and chew on them, stuff like that. But this is sugar cane growing out in the wild in a sugarcane field. And this is what the enslaved Africans were brought here to work and to harvest. And when they thought about running, this is what they had to run through. You can see how dense and how thick it is and how easy it is to get disoriented, go the wrong direction. But this is U.S. history, and I eat sugar as well, so this is where it comes from. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Ascension Parish, Louisiana.